Hello and welcome back. Today's recipe is going to be an appetizer using zucchini, mushroom, and red bell pepper raw capsicum. The key ingredients are prepared in three different ways: zucchini pan fried, mushroom crumb fried, and bell pepper roasted. Let's get to the preparation. For this, you will need around 150 grams of mushrooms. Wash the mushrooms thoroughly. You will also need one capsicum. I've used a red colored capsicum here, and you will need one zucchini. I've used a golden colored zucchini, but you can use any colored zucchini or capsicum. Now remove the stem of the zucchini. Cut the zucchini into 1/4 inch thick round slices or slices of medium thickness. So once that is cut, line a tray with a paper towel. Place the round slices of zucchini on them one by one. And then take another paper towel. Place it on the zucchini pieces. Press it down gently and pat them dry. This procedure is done to ensure that the moisture content from the zucchini is removed, so that when you pan fry the zucchini, it turns out to be quite crisp. The same procedure has to be repeated for the mushroom. So place a mushroom on a paper towel. You can even use a cloth instead of a towel. Pat it dry. Now cut the stem of the mushroom and then scoop out the mushroom from the inside. So if you want more of a stuffing, you can scoop out more from the inside of the mushroom. Now cut the stem and the scooped out part into very fine pieces. This is going to be used for the stuffing. Heat the pan. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. To this oil, add 1 teaspoon of coarsely ground red chili powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix this well. Once it is thoroughly mixed, place the zucchini pieces on this one by one, flat on one side. So once all the zucchini pieces are placed, allow it to cook on one side. Pan frying or roasting the zucchini helps to bring out the earthy flavors of the zucchini. So now one side has become slightly crisp. So now flip it over to the other side and let it cook for a while. So this procedure has to be repeated until the zucchini turns crisp on both the sides. While the zucchini is being prepared, let's see how to roast the capsicum. To roast the capsicum, you have to apply oil evenly all over. You can do it using a brush. Place it on a stove top and insert a fork into the capsicum. So that will be easier for you to rotate it all around so that it gets roasted evenly. It's difficult to hold it with a tongue as it would be slippery because we've applied oil on the capsicum. So keep turning the zucchini. Now the zucchini is nicely roasted. Remove it onto a plate. So now one part of our preparation is ready. Let's prepare the stuffing for the mushroom now. To prepare the stuffing, heat the pan with the remaining oil. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil to this. Add finely chopped onions. Then add 2 pods of crushed garlic. Mix them well. Saute until the onion turns translucent or transparent. Add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper powder. The spices can be adjusted according to taste. Saute the onions until golden brown and then add the chopped mushroom pieces that have been set aside from the stem and the scooped out portion of the mushroom. Add more oil if required. Saute the mushrooms until cooked Mushrooms are known for their amazing health benefits. They're packed with lots of essential vitamins and minerals. Now the mushrooms are done, switch off the stove and add grated cheese. So you can use any brand of cheese that you want. I've used a local brand here. Mix thoroughly until the cheese and the onions together form a cohesive mix. Once that is done, add chopped coriander leaves, mix well and set it aside. Once it cools, we can use it to prepare the stuffing for the mushrooms. Now to prepare the capsicum, you can see that the capsicum is roasted evenly all over. The charred skin has to be removed. So to remove it, use a knife. So when you prepare the capsicum this way, when you roast it, it gives a crunchy and firm texture to the capsicum and imparts a smoky flavor. Now remove the stem of the capsicum and the seeds from inside. Cut the capsicum into medium-sized square pieces. So this will form the top layer of the appetizer. Now to prepare the mushrooms, fill each mushroom with the stuffing and set it aside. So once all the mushrooms are stuffed with the filling, it has to be dipped in a batter and then crumb fried. To prepare the batter, I've used refined flour and water. Add half a teaspoon of pepper powder and salt. Mix it thoroughly until no lumps are formed. The batter should be of medium consistency. So once the mushrooms are coated in the batter, they should be again coated with breadcrumbs and then deep fried. The consistency of the dipping batter should not be either too thick or too thin, and it has to be coated evenly with the breadcrumbs. So this is to ensure that you get the proper crispy texture. So keep turning the mushrooms until they are evenly fried all over. Remove it onto a plate. Plate it. Place one piece of zucchini at the bottom, cheese stuffed mushroom in the middle, and then top it with roasted capsicum. Insert a toothpick so that it holds everything together. When you taste it all in one go, you will feel the crunchiness of the capsicum, the softness of the mushroom, the gooey texture of the cheese, and the crispiness of the zucchini. Hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Do drop a comment below on your favorite mushroom dish. Thank you for watching and have a great day.